this video, let us solve for x. Given 5 raised to power x divided by 20 is equal to 5. Well, given 5 raised to power x divided by 20 is equal to 5. Let us go ahead and cross multiply. This will give us 5 raised to power x times 1 is equal to 20 times 5. This gives us 5 raised to power x is equal to 20 here. I will express as 4 times 5, 10 times 5. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 5 times 5, which is 5 raised to power 2. So that this here takes care of this. Then we have 5 raised to power x divided by 5 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. From here, this expression here is of the form p raised to power n divided by p raised to power a. By law of indices, this will give us p raised to power n minus a, so that we now have 5 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 4. This leads to an exponential equation, and we can take the logarithm of both sides, so that log 5 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to log 4. The left-hand side expression is of the form log a raised to power n. By law of logarithm, this will give us n times log a, so that this becomes x minus 2 times log 5 is equal to log 4. We can divide both sides by log 5. So that log 5 cancels log 5 here. Then we have x minus 2 is equal to log 4 divided by log 5. We can also write this as x minus 2 is equal to log. Let us express 4 as 2 raised to power 2, then divided by log 5. So that x minus 2 would now be 2 times log 2 divided by log 5, which will give us x minus 2 is equal to 2 into bracket log 2 divided by log 5. Log 2 divided by log 5 here is of the form log m divided by log a. By law of logarithm, this will give us log m base a, and then x minus 2 will now be equal to 2 times log 2 base 5. Therefore, our final answer for x will now be positive 2 plus 2 times log 2 base 5. Let us now do a quick check to confirm that our solution is correct. To check, we'll substitute this value of x into our given problem, which was 5 raised to power x divided by 20 is equal to 5. So in place of x here, we'll put 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5, which would then imply 5 raised to power 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5 divided by 20 is equal to 5. Let us first separate these powers by applying this law of indices. A raised to power p plus m. By law of indices, we get a raised to power p times a raised to power m. So this becomes 5 raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5, then divided by 20 to give us 5. 5 raised to power 2 here is 25, then times. Instead of saying 5 raised to power 2 here, we can write this as 5 raised to power log. So this becomes 2 raised to power 2, then base 5, then divided by 20 to give us 5. 5 in 25 here will give us 5. 5 in 20 will give us 4. So we are going to have 5 times 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 2 is 4, then base 5, then divided by 4 to give us 5. Looking at 5 raised to power log 4 base 5, this is of the form a raised to power log k base a. By law of logarithm, this will give us k. So this expression here will give us 4. Then we have 5 here times 4, then divided by 4 to give us 5. We see that 4 divides 4 here. So we have 5 is equal to 5, which means the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And for that, it confirms that our solution is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.